Love you చిన్న ನನಗಿಷ್ಟಾನೇ Love you చిన్న
Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. My name is Dinesh Chandra and today we are going to learn this song on guitar. So first of all, let us learn what are the chords required for this song, and then we will learn the strumming pattern and the chord progression also. Finally, we will play this song with the track so that you will have a better idea how to play this song on guitar. So let's get started. First of all, let us see what are the chords required for this song. The chords required for this song: A minor. You can follow the diagram also. If you not know about the chords, you can learn from that. Or if you want to know more about these chords, just click on this playlist. You can see the link in I button. Just click on that. From that playlist, you can learn all the chords in a better way. So we'll come back to this song. The first chord is E minor. The second chord you need to know is B. The third chord you need to know is A minor. The fourth chord is C, and next chord is D. So total 5 chords you need to know to play this song. In one place, when the music part, the interlude part is there we have to use G also. Totally 6 chords are there. So what are the chords? E minor, B, A minor, then C, then D, then G. So total 6 chords are there which will be used for this song. So now we will learn the strumming pattern. Strumming pattern is very simple for this song. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. I'll play it slowly. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And this down, down, up only repeats throughout the song. But when the parts come, love you chinna, love you kanna. So here the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. I'll make it slow for you. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so this is the strumming pattern, but in this strumming pattern, one very important thing you need to know is the counts, because this song is not in 4/4 beat count. This song is in 3/4 beat count, and that's something very special about this song. So let us see what are 3/4 counts. You should know about the 3/4 count. So in that you will see that 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So like that only 3 counts are there. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Nannalle neenu ninnalle naanu sumaduraye sangama. Down down up down down up down down up down down up. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Sumane neenu. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Down down up down down up down down up down down up. So got it? So 3 counts are only there in this song. So this is very special about this song, and you must know about the counts. So now let us play this song with the track. You can see the lyrics with the chord in screen, and I'll give you the lyrics with chords in description also. You can see from there and you can follow it. So let us play with the track. Before that, this is a humble request to you all that please subscribe this channel. If you like this video, just hit the like button, share it with your friends, show some love by subscribing this channel. So let us start.
ಚಿನ್ನ ನನಗಿಷ್ಟ ನೀ Love you ಚಿನ್ನ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಸುಮಧುರ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷನಾದೊಂದು ಮನವೇ ಯಾಕಾದೆ ಹೀಗೆ ನೀ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಸೆಳೆವೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಪದವೇ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸರಿಯೇ ನಿನಗೆಂದಿಗೂ ನಾನಿರುವೆ ಜೊತೆ ಇರಲು ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಡುಪಾಗಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಜೀವನವೆಂದು ನಿನಗಾಗಿಯೇ
Love you ಕಂದ ನನಗಿಷ್ಟ ನೀ Love you ಕಂದ
So friends, how was this performance? Did you really like it? If you like it, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You can write me your request, your suggestion, your comment in the comment section. We'll see you soon. Bye bye. Enjoy.